The vertex of a quadratic function, or the parabola, is either going to be the maximum point or the minimum point, depending on whether it opens up or down. So in this instance, the vertex, the x value is 2, and the y value is 8. So it's the point 2, 8. Now, the axis of symmetry, that is that's that vertical line that goes through the vertex. And the equation of that vertical line is x is equal to whatever that x value is of the vertex. So in this case, the x value is 2, so the equation would be x equals 2. The y-intercept is that point along the y-axis where the graph crosses the y-axis. So we could just write 0, or if you want, you could write the whole point, 0, 0. And the x-intercepts are those points along the graph that cross the x-axis. In this case, that would be 0 and 4. Those are the two x values where the graph crosses the x-axis. Or if you want, you can write out the full points, 0, 0, and 4, 0. And then finally, the domain. Well, the domain, if you were to write all of the points out, list them all, the domain represents all the x values. You're only looking at the x values of those points. And in this case, the x values are going to range all the way from negative infinity to positive infinity. This parabola, it goes towards infinity to the left and to the right. And finally, the range, if you were to list all of the points out, the range is represented by all the y values. Well, the largest y value is 4. And this parabola goes all the way down to negative infinity. So it goes from negative infinity to 4.